Assalamu alaikum dear students, English grade 8th. Unit number 2nd, we are going to start lecture number 5. It is related to grammar. In unit number 5 grammar, there is a topic related to noun. First of all, what is noun? As you know, you have already studied in the previous classes that noun is a naming word. Name of place, thing, idea or state is called noun. There are different kinds of the noun. Concrete noun, abstract, countable and uncountable, collective, compound noun, possessive noun, regular, irregular nouns. Here we are going to discuss different kinds and types of the noun with examples and definition. Dear students, listen very carefully and you have to write the kinds and definition with 4 to 5 examples on your neat copies. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete, countable, uncountable. These are all discussed here. Common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is a noun that refers to a people or things in general. When we are talking about anything or person or place in general way, not a specific person, that is called common noun. Car, dog and chair. These are all examples of common noun. The next is proper noun. A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place or thing or any idea. And in English, when we are talking about and when we are writing about the proper noun, we begin with a capital letter. Budget, a specific boy, name of a specific. London and January. These are all referring a specific month, person or place. Next is collective noun. Collective nouns refer to groups of people or things. Means when we are talking about group of people, when we are referring to group, team, choir and army, it is not only a single person, place or thing. We are referring to a group of person, people or things. Next is compound noun. When two different nouns combine together and they form a single noun, that is called compound noun. Okay, compound noun refer to two or more nouns combined to form a single noun. School boy. Here school is a separate noun and boys are, but when these two nouns combine, it form school boy. Orange juice, cheesecake. They are all examples of compound noun. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun which refers to people and things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard or tasted. The things which we can taste, which we can smell, which we can heard, which we can see are called concrete noun. Building, beach and bridge. These are the examples of concrete noun. What about the abstract noun? Here there is a contrast between the abstract noun and the concrete noun. An abstract noun is a noun that refers to ideas, qualities and condition, things that cannot be seen or touched, and things that have no physical reality. These are called abstract nouns. Time, friendship, love. These are examples of abstract noun. The next is countable noun. As the very name is indicating that all the nouns, all the namings words which can be counted. Countable nouns are nouns that have a singular and plural form. Okay, we can make the plural from the singular, and these nouns can be used with a number. They can be counted. For example, we can make the plural of these nouns apples. From apple, apple is a singular, and apples. House, houses. And book, books. Chairs, walls, bags, pencils. These are all countable noun. And uncountable noun, that cannot be counted and that has only a singular form. Uncountable noun can only be used in singular. They can't be counted. Honey, water, and coffee. These are examples of uncountable noun. Okay students, after hearing and listening and watching this video, your homework is you have to write noun and its kinds with at least 5 examples. Thank you so much.